came and didn't know that days and asked him $10 and scared the thief away, and he took all the toys quickly and ran away with someone's car. And the car didn't have an alarm system, and it was going so fast, and police was going more faster than him. And they had hooks, and he just hooked up the car and stopped, and he was having difficulty moving. And it get out the car and saw police holding it, and it got a starting and zipped one of the stings, but one of the police's sting was harder, so it could not zip it. So sad. So a police dog came and put the thief in his back and put it in the jail. That's the end. And got all the toys back to the kitty. That's the end.